Hey guys, just a quick FAQ video on the Pajero Sport. So I'll show you what will be covered. So here we have the unit in. You can see it all looks nice and flush. Looks just like the factory one did, but a bit better, obviously, big screen. So that all works well. What you get on our units is like a quick boot. So that all started within a couple of seconds there. That's pretty handy. Your steering wheel controls, still gonna work, so that's all good. You got your FM, AM radio. Happy days. Got a big HD touchscreen that's fast, so that is awesome. Your USBs will still work. Reverse camera, 360 cameras all still work, and your trajectory lines. Camera button, if you have the 360 cameras, still works as it used to. Happy days. And yeah, that's about it. Plus now you obviously have like wireless CarPlay, a wireless Android Auto. Also the unit runs Android as a base operating system, so you have access to the Play Store. Plus you can install apps you want and do other things like that. So that basically sort of covers it all, and what you get in this here. The whole kit comes with everything you need to install it. Pretty straightforward install, to be honest. It actually just pulls out and then you can go forward and install the unit, so it's not too bad.